Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Ali Primary on 6 and Corinaldi Avenue Primary also on 6. Now it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so let's begin with mathematics. And this is Mikel Graham from Corinaldi up against Rishana Morgan from Ali. Mikel, what is 11:25 p.m. on a 24-hour clock? Would you like to try, Rishana?
No, thank you.
It's 23:25 hours. Mikel, what is the perimeter of a rectangle if the length is 13 centimeters and the width is 15 centimeters?
56 centimeters.
Correct. What is 4 over 25 as a percentage?
16%.
Correct. Is the angle 230 degrees acute, obtuse, or reflex?
Reflex.
Correct. And if $400 is shared among 3 girls in the ratio of 5 to 3 to 2, what would be the largest amount? Would you like to try, Rishana?
No, thank you.
It's $200. Your questions now, Rishana. What is 8:26 p.m. on a 24-hour clock? Would you like to try, Mikel?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
20 hours and 26 minutes. 20:26.
Judge? Are we accepting? Yes. Okay. Rishana, back to you. What is the length of a rectangle if the perimeter is 50 centimeters and the width is 14 centimeters? Would you like to try, Mikel?
Yes, miss. 11 centimeters.
Correct. Rishana, what is 18 over 50 as a percentage?
18%.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Mikel?
Yes, miss. 36%.
Correct. Rishana, is the angle 80 degrees acute, obtuse, or reflex?
Acute.
Correct. And Rishana, your final question. If $480 is shared among 3 boys in the ratio 7 to 4 to 1, what would be the largest amount? Would you like to try, Mikel?
No, thank you.
$280. We move on now to the science face-off, and this is Nathan Gordon from Corinaldi Avenue Primary up against Captain Davion Willisley from Ali. Nathan, what is the name of a substance starting with F, which is added to soil to increase its nutrients?
Fertilizers.
Correct. In the food chain, under which category do plants normally fall?
Producers.
Correct. The chronic lack of which vitamin causes night blindness? Would you like to try, Davion?
Yes, miss. Vitamin C.
Incorrect, it's vitamin A. Nathan, which part of a plant's seed stores food for the embryo? Would you like to try, Davion?
No, miss.
Seed leaf or cotyledon. And Nathan, what is the name of the process by which harmful materials are added to the environment?
Pollution.
Correct. Davion, your questions. What is the name of the device starting with F used for separating mixtures? Would you like to try, Nathan?
No, thank you, miss.
Filter. Davion, in the food chain, under which category do animals normally fall?
Consumers.
Correct. The chronic lack of which mineral causes fragile bones?
Iron.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Nathan?
Vitamin C.
Incorrect. It's calcium. Davian, which part of a plant's seed protects the whole seed? Would you like to try, Nathan?
No, thank you.
The seed coat or tester. And Davian, what is the name of the powder-like grains that fertilizes the female eggs in a plant?
Pollen.
Correct. We move on to English language, and this is Captain Tanika Grant from Corinaldi Avenue up against Geneva Cooper from Alley. Tanika, what is the past participle of win, spelled W-I-N?
One.
Correct. Form an adjective from the verb to excel.
Excel?
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Geneva?
No, miss.
Excellent. Tanika, spell applicant.
A-P-L-I-C-A-N-T.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Geneva?
Yes, Miss. A-P-P-L-I-C-A-N-T.
That is correct. Tanika, back to you. Give a four-letter word starting with R, which is a synonym for genuine. Would you like to try, Geneva?
No, Miss.
It's real. And Tanika, your final question. What is the masculine form of a nun, spelled N-U-N?
Priest?
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Geneva?
No, Miss.
Monk is what we were looking for. Geneva, your questions. What is the past tense for forgive?
Forgive.
Correct. Form a noun from the verb to betray. Would you like to try, Tanika?
Yes, miss. Betrayer?
Correct. Spell capable, Geneva.
C-A-P-A-B-L-E.
Correct. Give a five-letter word starting with C, which is a synonym for transparent.
Clear.
Correct. And what is the masculine form of princess? Would you like to try, Tanika?
Yes, miss. Prince?
That is correct. And that's the end of the English language face-off. We move on to our final face-off in social studies, and it's between Melania Osborne from Corinaldi Avenue and Sanique Facey of Alley Primary. Melania, what is the name for the journey from Africa to the Caribbean undertaken by captured Africans during slavery? Would you like to try, Sanique?
No, thank you.
It's the Middle Passage. Melania, what is the name of the star at the center of the solar system?
The sun.
Correct. During which season do the sun's rays hit the earth at the most direct angle?
Summer.
Correct. In which Jamaican parish is Holland Bamboo? Would you like to try, Sanique?
No, thank you.
St. Elizabeth. Melania, what is the capital of Belize?
Belmopan.
That is correct. Now your question, Sanique. During slavery, what was the name for a very large farm for growing a single crop, such as sugar cane? Would you like to try it, Melania?
Yes, please. Plantation.
Correct. Sanique, what is the name of the path of a planet around the sun?
Orbit.
Correct. During which season are the days the shortest in the northern hemisphere? Would you like to try, Melania?
No, thank you.
Winter. Sanique, in which Jamaican parish is the Negril tourist resort town?
Chulani.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Melania?
No, thank you.
Westmoreland. And Sanique, what is the capital of the British Virgin Islands? Would you like to try, Melania?
No, thank you.
It's Road Town. And at the end of the face-off section, we have Corinaldi Avenue on 21 and Alley Primary on 13. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return from this break.